3D printers. Can we make everything at home in the future? 3D printers are an exciting new technology. They can create objects layer by layer, using materials like plastic, metal, and even food. In the future, we might be able to print almost anything at home. At the moment, 3D printers are often used to make small items like toys, tools, and jewelry. They are also used in medicine to print prosthetics and even some types of food. As technology advances, it's possible that we could print bigger items, such as furniture or houses. For instance, in some parts of the world, companies are already using 3D printers to create small houses. Imagine being able to print your own chair or table instead of buying it from a store. Additionally, 3D printing is being used in industries like fashion and automotive, where designers can quickly make prototypes and customize products. With this technology, we could even see new ways of creating personal products, such as clothing or shoes tailored just for you. The possibilities for 3D printing are endless and could change the way we live, work, and shop in the future.